Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down B-tree index. It's an important idea in database. So, what is B-tree index? B-tree indexes are balanced tree structures ideal for range queries and equality lookups. It's one of the core ideas in database. Here are the key things to know about B-tree index. First, default index type in Postgre. SQL My. SQL Inno. DB SQL Server. Also, excellent for is equal to, between, in, order by. Another key point, self-balancing, log n, search time. On top of that, supports multi-column, composite indexes. Finally, can become bloated, needs periodic reindex or vacuum. And that's B-tree index in simple terms. Come back for another database concept tomorrow.